Hey everybody, it's your girl Shelly over at Eat to Live Strong Plus More. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious vegan egg roll bowl. That's right, no breading and no frying, and it is delicious. So I went to the farmer's market and I purchased a cabbage that was about 7 pounds. It was huge. It was organic, and what I did was I brought it home. You have to take the core out because it's very tough to cook. It's bitter. And of course, we are going to make this in a sauteed format, which means that it's nothing but water. So after I got it all cut up and took the core out, I then started to slice this up very, very thin. And then it goes into a bath of water with apple cider vinegar with the mother to get rid of any debris that may have gotten into this cabbage. Next, you know I love color, and I wanted to add bell pepper, but the family opted out, so I did carrots instead. I put it in a bath of water, skinned it, and apple cider vinegar with the mother to remove all the debris, and then I shredded this beautiful carrot, and it looks so rich. That beta carotene, guys. So you know we love onions, and when I went to the farmer's market, I bought 10 pounds of onions, so I chopped up 10 pounds of onion. Actually, this was sliced, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. So we used a pound in the meal. Now, again, I Ziploc bagged all of the things that I purchased from the farmer's market. So here we are. We've got the cabbage, the onions, and the carrots. So let's get started. What's a meal without flavor? So we are going to add to this garlic and ginger. And then the sweet chili sauce, coconut aminos. I use the infused garlic herb olive oil, hoisin, sesame oil. We're going to chop up the garlic and the ginger, and we're putting everything together so that we can get over to the stove and get this deliciousness done. We're going to start off by sauteing the garlic until it's fragrant, a little translucent, not overcooked. Next, you're going to add your onions until they're opaque. We don't want anything mushy in this dish. Then we're going to add the carrots first because that does take a little bit more sauteing. But don't overcook it because that will cook out your vitamins and your nutrients. So about 2 minutes. Next, you're going to add your cabbage because cabbage cooks really quick, and again, it's a lot of water. So be very careful about the amount of time you're going to cook your carrots and your cabbage. So I would say overall about 3 to 4 minutes for the complete meal. You can use some tongs to make sure that it is not overcooking. And see, this one still needs to cook a little more. But constantly turn and saute. Now you're going to add the ginger, which is going to give it a kick to the meal. Now you're going to add some black pepper and salt. And now for the delicious flavor. For the sesame oil, you need 2 teaspoons. For the chili sauce, you need 2 teaspoons. For the coconut aminos, you need 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of the hoisin. You can do this to taste as well. I added additional chili sauce to it and the hoisin because I really like that flavor. Now you're just going to stir it because now it is ready to go to the bowl. This is a really quick and easy, delicious meal that you can actually have for your meal prep. And if you are one that eat meat, you may add shrimp, chicken, steak, or even pork to it. It's all delicious. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you are notified of all the videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bon appetit. Bye-bye for now.